friends, my name is Simi and today I'm joined here with
Mr. Hero.
Yay! Are you excited?
Yeah.
What are we gonna do? Yeah! We're gonna have a magic show, guys. I'm so excited and I hope you guys are too. You wanna start?
Yes.
Okay, let's open it. Oh my
You
god.
have a cut.
I'm excited.
Yes.
We're gonna have a magic show. There's so many things inside.
What's this?
That's a deck of cards.
Hooray!
Okay, friends, we're gonna start off with a card magic trick. Hero, can you pick a card for me?
Yep. How about this?
You want this one?
Yep.
Okay, look at the card and show your friends what the card is. Don't show me, okay? Here, show your friends what card you have.
Look, friend, you sticker.
Okay, can you put the card anywhere you want?
Right.
Okay, I'm gonna shuffle the deck so that your card is now lost. Do you think I can find your card? Uh-oh. I think it's this one. Was this your card?
Yes.
Yay! We did it!
I like your magic.
For
Hooray!
our second magic trick, we're gonna be doing a magic trick with a rubber band. Yay!
I am ready.
Ready? Abracadabra. Woo! What's that?
Dice.
Are you ready for a magic trick?
Yes.
Okay, Hero. Look over here, guys. I have a magic trick to show you. I have a rubber band on my index finger and on my middle finger. Do you see that, Hero?
Yes.
It's gonna transfer over to my ring finger and my pinky finger.
I like it.
For our third magic trick, friends, we have a $20 bill. Yay! Okay, friends, I'm gonna fold this $20 bill in half. I'm gonna push it to the edge of the table. And is it gonna fall? Is it gonna fall? How is it staying? How is the $20 bill staying?
I like the magic.
For our fourth and final magic trick, we're gonna be using a piece of dye. Okay, Hero, I'm gonna make this dice disappear. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, Hero. Here, can you blow on my hand? Blow on it. Ready?
Oh,
Hero, you made the dice melt. You made it melt. Oh my god. Friends, Hero made the dice disappear.
Hooray!
Where did it go?
the bell melts.
Yeah, it melted. Oh my god, that's so cool. High five. Good job.
Hooray!
And the winning get more dice.
Yeah, now we need to get another dice. Thanks for joining us on our magic journey, friends. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for our next videos. Hero, say bye to your friends.
But bye, friends. You want to search my name? It's RERO Hero.
Yay! Bye now.